First, let's take a look at the exterior presentation. Here are its accessories. Next, let's look at the machine connection, the earth cable and earth clamp. The welding cable and electrode holder. Finally, take a look at its function panel. SMAW TIG lift mode switching. Current, hot start, arc force switching. Adjustable wire diameter. Adjustable current. Multi-gear and different modes. Free switching of current, etc. Let's take a look at it in action.